This was an opportunity fair to give women and minority-owned companies an opportunity to meet with the major corporations and the public agencies who have work and lots of work and are looking to bring on board all of these companies.
Tishman Construction has been a long-time supporter of the PWC, and we continue to support their efforts, especially for the women-owned businesses that we work with, and we try to help them to grow and make them successful businesses.
Schiavone is here in an attempt to interface with with as many minority and women-owned subcontracting firms as we can in order to use them on our big construction projects.
We're here to meet subs and suppliers who are disadvantaged or small business or woman-owned for future bids. The advantages are simple. I mean, you can develop a good relationship with a small business and then you can help them grow into a bigger company.
The Port Authority has been a very good vehicle for many women-owned businesses through the certification program. In fact, many of the certified firms, minority women-owned business or operations that we have right now are women-owned businesses. Some of our, I would think, more active contractors are women-owned businesses, and that spans from areas from technology all the way to construction. In fact, we have many women-owned businesses in construction, various aspects of construction, including the very technical areas which include electrical work, plumbing, even general contracting, and they've been well known for the quality of work that they've been doing. And the Port Authority encourages their participation, and we always look forward to certifying and going through the process and encouraging them to come aboard and do business with us.
This course was very helpful for me. Today I brought the president of my company with me to discuss the possibility of becoming a women business enterprise. And so it helped me quite a bit to understand what the process is, what the pitfalls of the application are, and now it's very clear to me that it's a simple process. We had to have a handout that brings me to the links on the web page so that I can now go from here very simply, print out the application and have a discussion as to whether or not we can move forward. And it looks like there's a very good chance which would open up more business for a company like ours to do some work with the Port Authority and some other organizations. So sounds great. It was a good day for me.
But the point is, I'm the one that sticks the pin in the agencies to make sure that they're operating in the best way possible. And those that don't have a good record of doing good business with MWBs in this state, that they will. And it's up to me and our subcommittee to help to develop and design those things that will remove barriers and remove the people from government that are not making that happen. Because this governor has sent down the message that small and minority businesses are important to him in this state, and that women-owned businesses must rise to the forefront because they, in fact, represent more than 50% of the population, and believe me, this governor can count. The opportunities are the greatest that they have ever been. We've opened the door now, and we're always looking to make sure that we're not creating small barriers to your ability to walk through that door. I'm fascinated by the fact that the governor wanted to create a 20% goal. But what I need to make sure of, and those of us that sit on that task force, on that team, on the task team, is to make sure that we don't overreach and that we create the capability of nurturing those firms as we bring them into the program. I think that there are a lot of them that have the basic qualifications, but the management piece, in my past experience working with some of the minority and women firms, is that they are good at their craft, but the management side of their business needs help and support.